Hi, this is Samuel, Grace Music and Entertainment, Hyderabad, and here is Lalit sir, National Sales Head for Amate Audio, and ఇక్కడ మనకు వచ్చేసి Amate Audio TPD 3K ఉంది. Sir will explain, and నేను మీకు తెలుగులో explain చేస్తాను. Okay, yes, sir. Sir, say about this product.
Hi Sam, this is Amate Audio's TPD 3K.
Okay.
It's a 3-channel.
Okay.
With DSP amplifier.
Okay.
They have 3 channels.
Okay.
First 2 channels are giving 750 watts.
Okay.
On 4 ohms.
Okay.
And third one is for subwoofers. You can use this amplifier for portable systems and installation.
Okay.
Third channel will give you 2000 watts.
Third channel will give on 4 ohms.
4 ohms 2000 watts.
Okay.
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 And there is another one. It's SD 4000.
Okay.
It's 1200 watt on
Okay.
4 ohms.
Okay.
You can run it on a bridge mode also
Okay.
for 18 to 24 hours. It's a reliable for that kind of power and that kind of output.
Okay.
After that,
And like, let's say, how many tops and how many subs we can on one amp?
you can use it at least. It's 1200 on 4 ohms.
Okay.
Okay. So you can run 4 tops of 600 watt in a loop.
In your loop. Okay.
Like 8 ohms, 8 ohms, 4
Got
ohms.
it.
You can run like this.
Okay. And what about this HD 1200?
SD 1200 is specially designed for high mid section and installation. It's a class AB amplifier.
Okay.
It will give you more precise and beautiful output in audio tone
Okay.
and sound clarity.
Okay.
It's
And what about this
350
one? This HD 4000 is Class D or
Class H. It's
Class
a Class H.
H.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's specially designed for subs and low
Oh,
mids.
subs and
that,
low mids.
That kind
and
of.
this one is Class D.
It's a Class AB.
AB, Class AB.
Yeah.
And it is designed for
It's designed for installation.
installation.
You can use it in 3-way configuration
Three-way
also.
configuration.
You can run HFs and mids on this.
Fine. And
It's a Class AB and it's giving 8 ohms, 350 watt, 350 watt on 8 ohms and 600 watt on 4 ohms.
okay. And what about this HD 3200?
SD 3000 is also H class. It's
Okay.
giving you 750 watt
Okay.
on 8 ohms and
Okay.
1000 watt on 4 ohms.
How many tops and subs we can like?
You can run 500 watts, 4 tops.
4 tops per channel.
Yeah.
Oh.
No, 2 channel.
2 channels.
Each channel 2 tops.
Each channel 2 tops.
500 watts.
Okay. And coming to Amate,
Yeah.
what about the service warranty and what about the service and all?
So, if I'm talking service warranty, there is 2-3 series like Nitid, Excellence and all.
Okay.
If you are going with Excellence series, which is a top-notch top series,
Okay.
they don't want any kind of service and all because of they are designing and manufacturing that kind of product.
Okay.
It's reliable
Okay.
and output-wise be also high SPL and all.
Okay. So how many
So
years?
zero maintenance, I'll prefer it's a zero maintenance system.
Oh, nice. And what about the years? Like if we
You
are
can
gonna
go with
say
3 years.
3 years warranty
Yeah.
for amplifiers and speakers.
Yeah. There are a few terms and conditions in that things also. Like you cannot claim damages, physical damages and all, like global standards.
Sir, explain about this poncho
It's
speaker and the subwoofer.
active powered monitor. You can use it as a stage monitor or installation or pole mount. You can use it in a portable PA systems.
Okay.
It's active.
Okay.
And sub is also active. In
Okay.
Nitid series, 2 kinds of
Like in
products.
some small venues or like big venues,
Yeah,
how
yeah.
much crowd it can accommodate?
If you put it 2 tops, single top per side on rigging
With left.
you can left and right with single sub you can cover approx 500 to 600 crowd inside.
Inside. At
Yeah.
what dB we can cover?
I cannot tell you on dB because of areas, acoustic and all things matter there.
Matters. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay.